So today we are going to make pedal boat with the water power. So the materials that you need is the small bottle, 3 sticks, 1 rubber, and you need glue and scissor. Okay, so let's make your pedal boat first. You need to stick 2 pedal stick, 1 here, 1 stick in this side of the bottle, and 1 side you need to stick here so you can see, right? And then you need to put the rubber, and then you need to put the 2 stick inside the rubber. Can you see? Look, 2 pedal stick going inside to the rubber, right? Okay, before I say you need 3 pedal stick, right? 1 you put here, 1 pedal stick you put here, 1 here, and 1 you need to cut and be half, and then when it be half, 1 side like this. I will try to cut. You see, right? It's become half of the pedal stick that you have already cut it. You need to cut again, become 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Now I have 2 small pedal stick and 1/2 of pedal stick. Okay, you need to make it become a cross like this. Ta-da! I have this one, right? Look, there is a tape here and here. It's become a cross. And then you need to prepare help. It's because I don't have a small tray, so I will use this bottle for baby. Okay? If you have this one, you can use it. Okay? You need to pour the water inside the tray. Let's see. There is a water here, right? And this one, you need to put inside, and you need to roll. It's like a propeller, right? The propeller on the helicopter. But if you twist the pedal stick backward, your boat will move forward. Okay, let's twist. Twist. It's enough. So let's see the water power that can make your boat move. Okay, let's put. You need to hold the stick. Don't forget to still hold it. Okay, are you ready, boat? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look, it's moved, right? It's awesome. Okay, I want to try one more time. Okay, twist. And then let's see the water power can make your pedal boat move. Whee! Yay! Okay, that's all of our experiment about the pedal boat with the power of the water. So if you have already seen this video and you try the video, don't forget to take a picture, or you need to take a video for the presentation of this experiment. Don't forget to send us via WhatsApp, this one. I will give the number here. And don't forget to post maybe on your mommy or daddy Instagram. And don't forget to tag us on Fastrackids Forteza. Okay? Bye-bye!